Thousands of Kashmiris have taken to the streets of Dadial in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir against one of the most heinous crimes the region has witnessed in its history. A brutal, traumatizing rape and murder of a juvenile by a Pakistani citizen. The incident in which a 13-year-old Kamal Matloob was defiled and beheaded by a Pakistani national has drawn unparalleled condemnation and anger. Carrying pictures of Kamal, while some are demanding an expeditious trial into the case, others are unwilling to settle for anything lesser than public execution. From children to the elderly, all have launched a movement for justice, and they say they will not return home or forget the crime until the accused is hanged. Human rights violations are not a new thing to Kashmiris living under Pakistani occupation for over 7 decades. But a crime of such nature has shaken the conscience of one and all. Locals say it has added an unimaginable component to the barbarities people of the region have been enduring.
जिस वाक़या को बयान करते हुए भी दिल खून के आंसू रो रहा हो, उस दरिंदा सिफ्त इंसान ने उसको कत्ल किया, उसका सर तन से जुदा किया, फिर वापस वो पंजाब चला गया। वो रियासत का बाकी नहीं। यहाँ पे जो है हर बंदा आके जुल्म सितम करता है, हर बंदा आके अपनी इजारादारी कर रहा है, और हम कब तक खामोश रहेंगे? हम सबको बाहर निकला होगा, हम सबको जुल्म सितम के खिलाफ बाहर निकला होगा। जब तक हम बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे, जुल्म सितम नहीं खत्म होगा। इसी तरह कमल की तरह और भी बच्चियाँ और भी बच्चे कत्ल होते रहेंगे और जुल्म और ज्यादती का निशाना बढ़ते रहेंगे।
People have urged the government to take swift action before they turn to a violent alternative. They said they will not tolerate any delay in the execution of the accused.
हर तबके को हम ये मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि कमल मजलूम कोई लावारिस बच्ची नहीं है, और शहर का बच्चा बूढ़ा और जवान उसके पुष्ट के पीछे खड़े। तुमने जुल्म किया और तुम्हें इस जालिम को फांसी देनी पड़ेगी। इस जालिम की फांसी में अब अहले डुडियाल किसी ताखीर को भी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे।
Crime against women in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir is growing by the day. While locals want their daughters to educate and progress in life, there is an inherent bias against them, both at societal and governmental level in Pakistan, that wants to keep them subjugated and backward. And this is one of the reasons the authorities have never cared for the security and protection of girls in the region. People, however, are determined this time and say they will not let their child perish without the criminal being brought to justice.